Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ted, the product manager of AI Singapore Computer and Embedded Computer. Today, I'm honored to represent, talk about, and sharing our new product, Mini-ITX motherboard with 11 gens Intel Tiger Lake UP3 series processor. So we are focused on the new trending of industrial field and smart retail on our tKINO-ULT6 and talk about related various applications. It will be easy to find out our end customer and provide advanced technology can be used in industrial field and smart city. Also, AI provide an industrial computing product with a high flexibility and reliability for the surveillance applications and with the high performance. So for the tKINO-ULT6 using 11 gens Tiger Lake UP3, the performance upgrades already is very high and compared with the previous generation 2018 Whiskey Lake U and the 2017 Cape Lake U. So compared with the Whiskey Lake U offers up to 22% better single threads, and 2017 offers 41% better single threads. But the Tiger Lake UP3 is using with the new CPU core architecture and the Intel Iris Xe graphics and latest display technology and the next generation I/O technology as well. So the tKINO-ULT6 is the new trend product in the Intel Tiger Lake UP3 processor. So ladies and gentlemen, so let's talk about tKINO-ULT6 feature highlights. The tKINO-ULT6 is started with the 11 gens Intel Core processor Tiger Lake UP3 family. This is the design with the Mini-ITX SPC, and the function on the tKINO-ULT6 has M.2A key for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. So, and another one is M.2M key for storage expansions. So beside that, also have a PCIe by 8 Gen 4 slots with the by 4 signal. Also, the tKINO-ULT6 is using a dual Intel i225 2.5 GB lens. And the tKINO-ULT6 supports quadruple 4 independent display, which are HDMI, DP, eDP, LVDS, and the USB 4. So the USB 4 is a very latest and interesting features for tKINO-ULT6. And the last one, tKINO-ULT6 is using a wide range 9 to 36 feet DC input. So the user can use very wide range, and another can be multiple flexibility choose for the power adapter. Also for the application scenarios, the 2021 tKINO-ULT6 is suitable, as you can see lit on the screen, have very and more wide applications. This is for high-end graphics performance and for high definition, as well as digital signage, surveillance, smart retail store. Also, video blending is the new trend in digital signage machines. It shrinks the screen a bit and create a sidebar to target audience to purchase they want. And the retailers can insert advertisements for the restaurant and show discount and deals. So moreover, the tKINO-ULT6 is using Intel long life cycle was used to resolve customer ongoing service problem with many different mainboards in the field. So for the AI application scenarios, the Intel Tiger Lake UP3 processor is also up to 3 times performance. So as you can see on the deck, compared with the i5 6300 and the Intel Core Tiger Lake UP3 i5-1145G7E. So the performance, AI performance is already up to 3 times performance. So for the artificial intelligence and the business intelligence and the customer intelligence data integration, that is the best choices for the customer and user. So the tKINO-ULT6 is using Mini-ITX. That is the not standard Mini-ITX, and this is the use with the thin Mini-ITX design. So it can fit with the compact size chassis and can use with the panel PC. So it can put in the compact size and have the best performance and the CPU performance for their applications. So compared with the standard Mini-ITX, the tKINO-ULT6 already saving 43% spaces and thinner. So another features for the tKINO-ULT6, and tKINO-ULT6 support with the USB 4. The USB 4 features featuring up to 40 GB per second data transfer speeds, and also supporting Thunderbolt 3 and dynamic bandwidth sharing. So it can put do as the DP display ports, Thunderbolts, and the data transmissions. So as you can see, the 4K resolution is the technology milestone is the high definition content delivery, utilizing approximately 4,000 pixels on the horizontal axis, more than the 4 times today's standard HD pixel density. So the tKINO-ULT6 can be support quadruple 4 independent display, which are HDMI, DP, eDP, LVDS, and USB 4 connectors. So the most important point of view is tKINO-ULT6 are adapted with maximum have a quadruple 4K display, so it can use with the many display applications. So another powerful security function for the tKINO-ULT6, tKINO-ULT6 is adapted with a TPM connector on the board, so the user can use with the TPM IN03 to use with the hardware-based security solutions. So which are the TPM IN03 can use with the data protection and reliable with the TPM store key and password and digital certificates. So the application for the TPM IN03 can use with TPM management, file and folder description and encryption, personal secure drive key transferring, and security policy configuration. So the TPM IN03 is used with the SPI interface. So for the last important point of view of tKINO-ULT6, the tKINO-ULT6 can be modified CPU TDP for complex design. So normally the high performance can use with the 28 watts the CPU cooler, and if you have another application for the complex size users, you can modify the BIOS to change the CPU TDP so they can use a smaller and thinner CPU cooler on the thin Mini-ITX board. So lastly, if you are interested on our tKINO-ULT6 thin Mini-ITX motherboard, so please feel free to ask the inquiry to our sales manager. So lastly, if you like our video, please share and subscribe to our IEI YouTube channel. Also, please feel free to follow our social platform to get the latest product information and company news. If you have any questions, please go to the IEI official website to inquire and contact us. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.